Yes, good morning students. I am Manibhushan Prashant. This is for class 6 subject mathematics, topic line segments. What is a line segment? Just see, this is the line segment AB, this is line segment PQ. What is its definition? Just see the definition. Line segment is a portion of a line. It is a part of a line having a definite length with its two endpoints. So what are the properties of a line segment? First, it is a part of a line. From here to here a line is going on and you have taken only 2 points A and B. So this is a portion. This is a part of a line. Second, having a definite length. Its length is fixed. If you measure from a scale, either 4.5 or 5 or 6, so the length is fixed. And the next point, it has two endpoints. So that a line segment has always endpoints. A and B are it's called endpoint. Here P and Q are called endpoints. Is it clear? See once again, for a line segment is a portion of a line having a definite length with its two endpoints. So what are the three properties of a line segment? See, first, it is a part of a line. Second, it has a definite length and it has two endpoints. Is it clear? Now denotation. How you can denote or represent a line segment? Just see, it is by AB bar or PQ bar. Okay, or in other form, simply you write AB and PQ. It is understood. So, a line segment is represented like this AB and its name you can write AB or PQ. You can write BA, you can write QP, no problem. Both are correct. See this for this figure. It is a triangle. How many line segments it has? 1, 2 and 3. What are the name? AB, BC, AC. You can write CA, no problem. You can write CV, also correct. So, just see, what are the line segments? Just see, AB, BC and AC. How many line segments? 3. For this figure, count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, there are 5 line segments. What are its name? I have written here AB, BC, CD, DA and AC. For this figure, just see, just count how many line segments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So there are 7 line segments and the names you can write A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, A, A, C and A, D. Now just see the examples of a line segments from your environment. Okay. Age of a table, scale, matchbox. Just see, this is your paper set. No. And what is the line segment? Just see, this represents a line segment. If you take a scale, just see, for a scale, this edge, kinara, edge means kinara. This edge also represents a line segment. So that in this way you can give so many examples from your environments. Okay. The next part, measurement of a line segment. How can you measure? A line segment, it is given and you have to measure its length. So just see, for this example, this is a line segment AB. Okay, take your scales. In your scale you will find that it is mentioned here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your centimeter and this side it is mentioned in the inch scale. Is it clear? So, in any scale you can measure it. Just see, I am going to measure in centimeter. So, at first place 0 at A. Is it clear? On the line. And now we can see that B comes to 4. 3 and 4 and now it is divided in 10 parts. So that, what is its length? Its length becomes 3.4. You can write now 3.4 centimeter. Okay. Now the next point is, in this way you can measure all the sides. Just see, for this example here, you can measure now. Is it? Just see, we have placed 0 at A. Now B comes here. So I think it is 5, 6, 7. 1.7. 1.7. It is 2. It is 3. It is 4. So I hope that you have learned how to measure. Now the next point is construct a line segment. Just see, this is AB is given 6 centimeter. How we draw? Just put your scale. Now put your scale. Now at 0 put a point. Just see, at 0 put a point and also 6 at here point and join them. Just see, I have drawn for you. See here. At 0 we have taken a point and at 6 I have taken a point and now we have joined them so that it is AB 6 centimeter. In the same way we have taken, just see, 0 at P, just 0, take a point and write down P, and now at 4.3, just see, it is 4.3 and you have mentioned and just join it. Okay. Just see, I am drawing the another line segment. How you draw? Just see, suppose once again for 6, I am taking here point. Okay. Just see now, I have taken point at 0 and now at 4. Is it? And you can join them up to 4. So this is the line segment of how much? 4 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay. Now the next question, it says that draw MN AB plus PQ. Draw MN AB plus PQ, where AB is 4 centimeter and PQ is 3 centimeter. So at first we have drawn this AB and also PQ. It is 4 centimeter and it is 3 centimeter. Draw a big line. Now put here M. Now you have to take the compass. Okay. Use your compass. At present I am not having the compass. Just see now. Put your compass. This is the 2 points of a compass. Okay. Both of the steel point or using your pencils you can use now. Just see, take the point AB. Okay. This is your AB. Now put here and draw one arc. Is it clear? Of this is your 4 centimeter. Now once again measure this compass. Okay. Just see this is compass. Just you can increase or decrease the length. Okay. So that you can measure this AB. This is PQ. And now from this point, just see, from this point you can cut it down so that this is Q. Okay. So this represents your AB and this represents your PQ. And so the total MN. Is it clear? Total MN represents AB plus PQ. Okay. Now next, draw a triangle ABC. You have to draw an angle ABC and you have to draw PQ, which is equal to AB plus BC plus CC. So in the same manner we can draw like this. Just see, I am going to draw for you of a triangle ABC. Using a scale for of any length you can draw, no problem. So just see, using the scales I have drawn this ABC without any measurement. Okay. And now I have to draw PQ, which is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. Is it clear? AB plus BC plus AC. For this purpose, once again, you can draw a line. Is it clear? Just see, you can draw a line, a big line, and you just put here M. Here P. Just it is written here PQ. So just I put here P. Okay. Now once again, using your compass, just measure this AB. Measure this AB and put here at P and draw Q. Just see, this is point for AB. So this length and this length should be equal. It is equal to the AB. Okay. Now once again you measure this BC and from this point you cut it down. So that we have taken another part. This is called equal to BC. Just see, I am noting here for this notation. This is equal to this one. these two parts should be equal to this part. Okay. Now measure this AC and cut down from here. Okay. And now put here Q. I mean this sides donated by 3 lines. This is equal to here by 3 lines. Follow. So that this PQ represents the sum of the sides AB, BC and AC. Is it clear? I think you can do practice for this one. Now come for the next point. In the same way, your question says that if AB is 4.5, CD is 2.3, then draw 2AB, AB plus 2CD, AB minus CD, whatever. Okay. So, for this example, at first we will draw AB. No. What is your AB? Just say 4.5. So, at first we take at 0, at 0, and now so this is 4 and this is 5. 5 part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we just put at here 4.5 and now we join. So, this is your AB. How much? 4.5 centimeter. And the same way you take the CD. Just see. At first at 0 and then for CD is 2.3. This 2 and this is 3. So just 2.3, 1, 2 and 3. You can take the point and now you join. So this is your CD. How much? 2.3 centimeter. Follow. Now the same, you have to draw A that is equal to 2AB. For this purpose, what you will do? You will draw a line segment, just big line. Is it clear? And now, starting, just write down the first point. Okay. Using your compass, measure this AB. Okay. Using the compass, measure this AB. Now put here the first point and now just draw an arc. So that I have drawn one arc. Okay. Once again from this same AB and now you draw the second. So we have drawn the second one. Is it clear? So it represents 2AB. It represents 2AB. Follow. Now the second one is AB plus 2CD. Just see. This is AB plus 2CD. Follow. So once again, for this one you can draw a line. You can draw a big line. Just see now. This is whole line. Now 2AB plus 2CD. So at first you measure this AB and cut it down. So from here we have cut down AB. Once again AB. Sorry. It is AB and now I have taken this CD. So this is your CD and 2CD. So once again 2CD. Just see. This is AB. So this represents your AB. And now just 2 lines. So it is 2 lines CD and this is the CD. Follow. So what if it represents AB plus 2CD. Is it clear? The whole line segment MN. Suppose write down MN. This is equal to MN. So MN represents here AB plus 2CD. Here just write, put here a PQ, no problem. So 2AB is equal to PQ. PQ represents AB. That's all. Now third point is AB minus CD. What is it here? AB minus CD. Just see, be careful. Now numerically you can verify also that AB is how much? 4.5. So just we will take a big line. And now from starting, just see, take the part of your AB. See here, we have taken this AB. Now cut it down here AB. This is your AB, clear? And now minus CD. What is it in here? minus CD. So just take this CD and CD should be in the back side. Is it clear? Just here CD should be in the back side. So from here you cut down CD. Follow? It is your AB and CD should be in the back side. So that it should be represent AB minus CD. Suppose this is PQ and now it represents AB minus CD. So if it is the negative sign here, you have to come in left side. If it is the plus sign here, you have to move right side. I just hope by practice you will learn it. Now come for the next questions. It asks you find the number of line segments in given figure. I hope that you can count it. How many line segments? Generally students say that it has 2 line segments, AB and BC. I think it is the wrong. I just hope that you have got the answer AB, BC and one more bigger one, AC. So there are 3 line segments here. Is it clear? How many? 3. For this figure, can you count the line segments? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are the names? Just see AB, BC, AC. Now also OA, OB and OC. How many line segments? 6. Here I think you can count in the 9 segments now. Be careful. Just see the line segments. I am counting for this figure. What are? See AF, FD, DE, EA. Is it clear? See for this figure only. So AF, FD, DE, EA. And now come for this figure so that you can write FB, BC and DF. That is the FD. That is already common here. So that we have to write only this one. FB, BC and CD. Is it clear? So how many that? There are 7 line segments. Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As it is already counted here. So in this way there are 7 line segments. Is it clear? So students, today that's all. Today we have discussed only for the line segments. What is the definition of a line segment? How can you count it, the total number of line segments given in the figure? Also, how you measure it? How can you construct or you can draw the line segments? These 2 are the very important parts. And also very good questions here that you have to represent PQ. That is AB plus BC plus AC. So I just hope you can do it now. Now just see now the another one. It may be asked in your examination also like this. That is AB and CD is given. And you have to draw 2AB, AB plus 2CD or AB minus CD. In the same way we can present so many parts. Is it clear? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.